Set, go.
What's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Today, our activity is going to be bowling. So some of you have been bowling before on Rockaway Boulevard. They have the bowling alley. We're making our own alley right here. So what I'm going to use for pins are water bottles. And if you notice, the pins are in the shape of a triangle. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. There are 4 pins in the back, then 3, then 2, and then 1. And I've also put down tape underneath each pin, and I'll show you why in a moment. Now, when we go bowling, the idea of the game is to get the highest score. You get 2 tries to roll the ball and knock down all the pins. The goal is to try to knock down all the pins within the 2 tries. So for my first try, now I don't have a lot of room in this area here. Hopefully you have a little bit more space in whatever room you're going to try to do this in. Here's my first roll. Okay, so I knocked down, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins, leaving me with 3. Here's what I do. I'm gonna get a second chance. I move the pins that I knocked down out of the way. And you can, if you're bowling with somebody else in your house, this can be their job. You're gonna switch. Once the pins are out of the way, I get my second turn. I'm gonna try to knock these 3 pins down. Step with my opposite foot. Roll. All right, I got 1 down, so 2 are left. So my score after 1 round is 8. Next person goes. When we go to set the pins back up, here's why I have the tape here. That's to tell me where the pins go. Makes it easy to set up. And you can try to get creative. If you don't want to set it up in a triangle, you want to try different setups, you're more than welcome to do that as well. I know that when I was growing up, I used to do this with my brother, and we would make it into like squares and all sorts of different shapes. So now the next person will go, and you keep playing the game until you get a high score. Now, a couple of things, a couple of terms you need to know. If I knock down all of the pins on 1 try, that is called a strike. I do not get another chance. If I knock down all 10 pins on 2 tries, that's called a spare. So I'm gonna try it. Let's see if I can get it one more time here. Step, roll. All right, again, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 left, so I knocked down 6. Move the pins out of the way. Let's see if I can get a spare. Here's my roll. Now, technically that would not count as a spare because it hit off the door, but since we're playing house rules, I'm gonna say I knocked them all down, I got a spare. All right, so once again, if you knock them all down on 1 try, it's a strike, you don't go again. If you knock them down on 2 tries, it is a spare. Here's my trivia question for you. What is the highest score that you can get in a game of bowling? You might need to look that up. See if you can respond to me on your Google Classroom with that answer. All right, hope everybody's doing well. Have fun with this game, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.